Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. Another video we're shooting down in the warehouse, showing you the condition of these 8.25 inch dessert or salad plates made in the Colclough Ivy Leaf pattern 8143. These actually date from 1954 through to 1966. Let's show you the china marks there. Colclough Ridgway Potteries Limited date these to that period, and they are in absolutely fine condition. I think we've got 10 or 12 of them coming on catalogue. Haven't counted through this stack yet, but the gilt on the scalloped rims is absolutely bright, and if I just get a reflection on that glaze, just look at that, unmarked. So vintage pieces but in as new condition. Colclough Ivy Leaf always proves very popular on the run up to Christmas. It's one of those seasonal favourites, and these 8.25 inch desserts or salads are the finest quality you're going to find. We've got them for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website, and we'll pop a link in the description below on YouTube. Click on that if you want to find out more details and the pricing on these salad or dessert plates. Thanks for watching.